Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Dota 2 connection and network issues. If you want to fix it, click here, go to CMD, right click, run as administrator, and then type ipconfig//dns and then click enter, and after that type net will sock reset and click enter, and after that restart your computer and then click here and go to control panel. Now click view network status and tasks, and after that go to internet and then properties, protocol internet version 4, and now make sure to put those numbers here and click OK. Close, change the adapter settings, right click on internet or Wi-Fi, right click on it and then disable it. After that you will need to wait like a minute and enable it again, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.